Hey bookworms, I'm Dee. Welcome to Bendy Bookworm Kids Yoga, where we read awesome books and try silly yoga poses to go along with the illustrations in the books. Here's how it's going to work. When you hear this sound, we're going to try a yoga pose together. When you hear this sound, we're going to read pages from the story. Let's get to it. Today's story is Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Let's get into our little blue trucks and drive down the road with Blue. Sit on your booty, just like me. And give a little wiggle. Wiggle, 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 and freeze. Pop a foot out. Pop. Pop your other foot out. Pop. And now we need to look both ways before we start driving. So twist and look over one shoulder. Do you see any cars? Nah, me neither. Twist and look over the other shoulder. How about cars on this side? All clear? All clear. Grab your steering wheel and drive all the way in one direction. And turn and drive all the way in the other direction. And now get ready to honk your horn. Beep, beep. Now you stay just where you are and let's sing a song as we drive down the road with Blue. Bumping up and down in my little blue truck. Bumping up and down in my little blue truck. Bumping up and down in my little blue truck. Drive with me, my darling. I wonder what Blue sees along the road. Let's keep reading and find out together. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Blue is stopped at a frog crossing. Have you ever seen a frog crossing before? Me neither. But look at all those frogs waiting across the road. Let's pretend to be frogs together, hopping across the road with all those other frogs at the frog crossing. Come to stand on your feet, just like me. Now take one giant step to the side and bend your knees. Can you point to your knees? Say, these are my knees. You say, these are my knees. Wiggle your fingers to the ground, and on the count of 3, we're going to take one hop forward across the road. 1, 2, 3, frog hop. Now this time when we hop, let's say ribbit together. 1, 2, 3, ribbit! Let's do one more jump together to get across the road. 1, 2, 3, ribbit! Lower back down onto your booty so that we can go back to the story and see what happens to Little Blue driving down the road. Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. There are so many barnyard animals in this picture. There's a sheep in the barn, birds in the trees, and a cow on the road. But look very closely at the picture. Can you tell me what animal is hiding in a hole in the tree? A raccoon! Let's do our raccoon pose together and pretend that we're watching Little Blue from our hole in the tree. Now for this pose, we have to be on our feet. So stomp one foot out, stomp, bring your hands down to the ground, pat, and bring your other foot out to stomp. Stomp. Now squat, just like me. Bring your fingers up to your eyes and make circles around your raccoon eyes. Now look all the way one way and look all the way the other way. Look up at the birds in the tree. And now look at little Blue driving down the road. Bring your hands back to the ground and lower your booty back down so that we can go back to the story and keep reading. Oh no! It looks like little Blue is about to drive right into a rainstorm. Honk! Yelled a dump truck. Coming through! I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. That dump truck almost drove right over the duck. The dump truck might not have time for the duck, but we sure do. Let's try our duck pose together. Sit on your knees, just like me. Now point to your knees and say, "These are my knees." You say, "These are my knees." Now lift your booty up and shake, 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 shake your booty. Freeze! Reach your hands up high. Wave your hands up high. Wave them back and forth. Wave your hands down low. Wave them back and forth. Wave your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Stick your elbows in the front. Stick your elbows in the back. Bring your hands to your sides and quack, quack, quack. Can you quack with me just like a little duck? Quack, quack, quack. Lower back down. And let's sing a song together about 6 little ducks. 6 little ducks that I once knew. Fast ones, tiny ones, yellow ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on her back, she led the others with her quack, quack, quack. Her quack, quack, quack. Her quack, quack, quack. She led the others with her quack, quack, quack. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Down to the river they would go. Wiggle, wobble, to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on her back, she led the others with her quack, quack, quack. Her quack, quack, quack. Her quack, quack, quack. She led the others with her quack, quack, quack. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da. Back from the river they would come. Wiggle, wobble, ho, ho, hum. But the one little duck with the feather on her back, she led the others with her quack, quack, quack. Her quack, quack, quack. Her quack, quack, quack. She led the others with her quack, quack, quack. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da-da. I wonder what's gonna happen with little Blue and that dump truck. Let's keep reading and find out together. Vroom! Went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle. He tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the little Blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue comes driving down the road in the rain to help the dump truck. What do you think? Should we get back into our little Blue trucks to help the dump truck too? We're going to have to be brave. Let's do our candle breath to help us feel braver. Clap your hands and bring your wish candle right to your heart. Take a deep breath in and blow your candle out. Deep breath in and blow your candle out. Now let's go help Little Blue save that dump truck. Sit on your booty just like me. And give a little wiggle. Wiggle, 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 and freeze. Pop a foot out. Pop. Pop your other foot out. Pop. And look both ways. Twist and look over one shoulder. Do you see any cars coming? Not on this side. Twist and look over your other shoulder. No cars here either. Grab your steering wheel and drive down the road. Take a turn and drive down another road. Do you see Little Blue ahead? Let's honk our horn. Beep, beep. Now let's sing our driving down the road song on our way to Blue. Bumping up and down in my little blue truck. Bumping up and down in my little blue truck. Bumping up and down in my little blue truck. Can we save the dump truck? Let's go back to the story and see if Little Blue is able to help that dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. All together. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. You are such a brave bendy bookworm. I had so much fun reading about Little Blue with you. Let's use sign language to say thank you to our eyes for helping us to see all the pictures in today's story. Bring your fingers to your chin and say, thank you, eyes. Fingers to chin. Thank you, eyes. And thank you for moving and reading with me. I'll see you for the next yoga story time. If you'd like to read the full version of Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle, you can order it by clicking the link in the description below, or you can borrow it from your local public library.